See if I can't set you guys up on the fence here. Whoa. Always worried that the neighbor's gonna come knock my camera off the fence because they don't like it. Good morning, everybody. It's Jack from Atlantis Water Gardens. Today we are in Dover, New Jersey. We're going to be building a Patio Falls. That's one of our disappearing waterfall packages. It's actually one of our smaller ones. It's about 6 feet long, 2 feet of elevation. This one's going to get some underwater lighting as an upgrade. This is a pretty typical backyard for this area of Dover. It's about a 40 by 40 backyard space. Small backyard, cozy, intimate. And that's where the Patio Falls is going to come in perfect because it's a small water feature, gives a big impact in this space, and we're going to get a great sound back here because we're surrounded by a fence. Working in the backyard that's small like this presents a couple challenges. One is access. Not too bad. We've got good space. We were able to get the machine in, but we got a low-hanging tree where we had to kind of push up the branches to get this fella in here. And the other thing is, here's the patio. Here's where the waterfall is going to start. And it's actually sloping away from the patio. So what we have to do is create a retaining wall on the backside to raise the elevation so we can have the waterfall coming towards us, where we get that great sound, that great visual, instead of having it go away where it's not really going to do a lot of benefit for the backyard. You see we've got the windows in the back of the house. These are all considerations when we're talking about where we're going to put the waterfall. We want to be able to see it from inside as well as the patio. This made the most sense. For a small waterfall like this, we don't need a huge reservoir, so we're actually going to use the aqua basin for this. It holds about 75 gallons of water, which is perfect for what we have in motion here. It's going to be something where it fits in a small space, which we have right here. This is the excavation for the aqua basin. And it's going to work great because it fits the aqua surge pump in there perfectly. It's going to be a nice setup. So let me set you guys up over here. You can kind of watch the beginning stages of this. We're going to get the reservoir in. We're going to get that wall built on the backside, bring in some dirt, and start shaping this berm so we can start building a waterfall. Let's see if I can't set you guys up on the fence here. Whoa. Always worried that the neighbor's going to come knock my camera off the fence because they don't like it. This is not cooperating today. Okay, let's see. All right. There you go. You guys comfortable? Check it out.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Rich with Atlantis Water Gardens. So we have just got our aqua basin in. Now it's time to start cutting some shelves, lay the liner, set the spillway, and we're gonna start rocking and rolling. Alright guys, so the plumbing's in, the liner's in, and now we're starting to rock. We only got about 11 rocks to work with, so we got to make each one count.
Okay, as you can tell, it hasn't been me today. It's been Rich talking about it. Colby's doing some camera work. I've been running around like crazy trying to deal with office stuff and phone calls and meeting people. You know, the business stuff I'm supposed to be doing instead of making videos. But They're doing a great job over here. The waterfall is really coming together. I've got no hand in this today, so I'm excited to see how this turns out. It's looking great so far. Can't wait to see the finish. I'm gonna hand it back over to Rich because I gotta run again. I'll see you guys at the end. So it turns out we missed a lot of footage yesterday. We missed all of Rich talking, something happened with the camera. Anyway, it rained heavy towards the end of the day, so we couldn't actually finish it. Today we're just buttoning things up. It's looking really good. We're just gonna close up the edges here, do a little bit of gravel work, and then we're gonna fire this thing up and show you what we made. Let me show you where we're at so far to this point. All right, so you can see our aqua basin is mostly disguised. Here's the access for the pump, which is inside right now. You can see some gravel has to be done here. There's a nice little cascade there. It's going to be a pooling area behind it. We got another cascade that comes around this big rock here, coming back in, and then there's a pool up top where it starts from the spillway. Right now, Bolivar and Dan are just fixing up the edges, sloping things down, soon doing some outcropping stones, and dressing things up so that when we're finished, the homeowner can add their landscape plants, and it'll be done. We're going to take care of these last few odds and ends, plug her in, and get it flowing. We have finished this patio falls. It's 2 feet high, about 6 feet long, fits perfectly in a smaller backyard like this. It's attainable for most people, and it's low maintenance. It's got that beautiful sound, really looks natural. So happy with the way it turned out. Guys, thanks for sticking around and checking us out. We really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you want to see what we're doing here every week, we are building water features like crazy over here. Hit that like button, drop me a comment. I love reading everybody's comments. It really, a lot of positivity, which I'm really happy about. We've got some really fun and exciting stuff coming up here in the next couple months, so make sure you're around to check that out. Enjoy this beautiful waterfall, and we'll see you on the next one.